How to multi-snap on your Snapchat account on iPhone. So for this, I'm taking a reference to official steps and the genuine tricks to do this thing on your iPhone here. So just follow the steps I'm showing you on the screen, and if you will follow them successfully, you will do this thing on your phone. Multi-snap feature in Snapchat for iPhones has been removed right now. However, you can still achieve a similar effect using director mode. So let's start this. Step 1 is open the Snapchat app and ensure you're logged in. Switch to the camera view. By default, opening the app should take you there. Tap on the plus icon located on the top right of your screen. Now scroll down and select director mode from the available options. You will enter director mode. Now hold down the capture button to record your first snap from there. Now release the button to stop recording. You can preview the captured snap. Tap the capture button again to record another snap or video. Repeat step 6 to 8, capture as many snaps you want to send. Now once you have finished recording all of your snap, tap the preview icon. Then you can preview your all of snaps at once. Here you can edit your multi-snap story by adding text, stickers, filters. The step 12 and the last step is when you are satisfied with your multi-snap story, simply click on the share button to share it to your story. This is all about how you can send multiple snaps on your Snapchat account. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel for watching more about this.